So probably a month and a half ago I set this up, an old gutter, and then a couple of weeks ago I set up our good rain barrel that was given to me a few years ago before we lived out here, and I just never really had a use for it yet. I set it up with an old faucet or spigot and just drilled a hole and screwed it right in because the plastic is thick enough, and it only got like one sprinkle and maybe some morning dew that spilled into it. We got a really strong rain yesterday morning. It must have been at least 3 inches, and it almost filled this barrel. The barrel was here just above the spigot, and it is now here. It's about a 40-gallon barrel. That is just amazing. And it's a simple single slant roof. The coop is 6 by 8, so the roof might be 8 by 10. That is just amazing. And all the water isn't going in. Most of it is, but it's not like it's pouring right in. It's coming close and it overflows and falls in, but we probably still lost several more gallons. Wow. It's a great way, simple way to get some free water for your garden and your chickens.